chronic pain and physical discomfort. 1 in 5 adults worldwide live with chronic pain. What if a pain that no one can explain does not begin in the body at all? Light is the source of all life. When the light flowing through an organ or body part dims, humans call it pain. Taoism calls it a soul-to-body blockage. This is why the body cannot heal what the soul has not transformed. After receiving Dao Soul Light herbs for her lower back, this person woke with a sense of ease she had not felt in years. Dao Soul Light herbs are not the physical herbs. They are the spiritual light formulas carrying the pure frequency of ancient healing herbs directly to the soul of the body. Try this. Place your awareness on the area of discomfort. Relax your breathing. Visualize the pain as a stuck energy. Silent say, Dao Soul Light herbs. Dao Soul Light herbs. Do you feel even a 1% shift? That is your soul responding, preparing to receive the full transmission. Understand how light supports physical transformation. Common light